Happy Thursday to you from the floor of the CME here in Chicago. I'm Oliver Slope with iiTRADER in your grain market update. And unfortunately, we are seeing some selling pressure come into the commodities sector really across the board. Despite the U.S. dollar trading lower as well, we're seeing a lot of pressure in gold, crude oil, and the agricultural commodities as well, specifically the grains taking a hit. And that's obviously going to be what we're focusing on here in this afternoon's midday session. Looking at some of the technicals for the corn chart, December corn is going to be the month of contract. That's new crop. Coming down to previous technical support, 383. This represents a key Fibonacci retracement as well as a 200-day moving average. The bulls must maintain a close above this to keep some footing in this market. I think going into the weekend, there might be some weather uncertainty, but really we're looking forward to next Monday's crop progress report, which should be a little bit more telling for what happened this past weekend as far as weather delays and whatnot happened. But 388 on the top side, that's the 50 and 100 day, so really just looking at about a 5-cent range. Hopefully the market can get a breakout instead of a breakdown going into the near future. Now, as far as the soybeans are concerned, we've been talking about 973 to 978 being key technical resistance. This represents the 50% retracement, 50-day moving average, as well as the 200-day moving average. This represents, I think, a great opportunity for producers to take some risk off the table, whether it be shorting futures or buying puts to protect themselves and get some hedges on the table. 950s, technically significant support. A close below that really opens the door to accelerated selling pressure down towards that 910 level. Now, lastly, I want to touch on the wheat. Wheat really just fell out of bed here in the afternoon session. 434.5 is the level we're looking at. That was the gap higher from Friday's close to Monday's open. I think we go fill that. Ultimately offers pretty good value down there with limited risk. And so that's kind of what we're looking at going forward. That's what you should be looking at too. This has been Oliver Slope with iiTRADER from the floor of the CME.